Hi, it's Bane again with Triangle CompuDocs, where the health of your computer is a heart of our business. Today, I want to discuss some Windows shortcuts. Now, I've got a little cheat sheet here because there's a lot of them, and I'm just going to give you a few. I'm not going to give you an exhaustive list. I will put a link down in the description for you to look up all the Windows shortcuts. You might want to make a cheat sheet because some of these are really good. Now, you might be aware that cut, copy, and paste are all shortcuts. Control X being cut, Control C being copy, and Control V being paste. You might want to wonder, why is V paste and not P? Well, that's because typically Control P is reserved for print. If you make a mistake and you want to undo it, Control Z is a good way to do so. But did you know that Control Y will do a redo? So if you back out and you don't like that, you can do it again with Control Y. Then Control A, you may know, highlights everything on the page, whether it's icons or text in a Word document. Control D deletes whatever is selected and throws it right in the recycle bin. Control E opens search most of the time. Control Escape opens the start menu. You might have known that. Escape gets you out of whatever dialogue you're in. That's a good thing to know. F2 will rename the icon that you have selected. Maybe on your desktop you have something selected. F2 will put you in a rename so you can type a different name for that. F3 opens up search for a file in File Explorer. F4 displays the address bar in File Explorer. That might be good to have. If you're on a web page, you need to refresh that web page. F5 is a good way to do that. It does it very quickly. I also want to tell you that if you're in Microsoft Outlook, if you use that program, you need to check your mail. You can hit F9. That's a good shortcut to force a send receive. Those are just a few Windows shortcuts that you can use at your convenience. Some people don't like to use shortcuts at all, and that's okay too. It's just information. If you want to know more about me or my company, go to my website above. I look forward to hearing from you soon.